Good morning, students. Already we studied about an area. Now we are going to study about an volume. How to measure an volume of a liquid. Define volume. What is an volume? The amount of space occupied by three-dimensional object is known as its volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. For example, if it is an volume of a rectangular cube, L into B into H. Already we studied area is L into B. Multiplying by H we will get an volume of a cube. SI unit of volume is meter cube, either meter cube or in a cubic meter. As we studied in area, here the volume also for regular shaped such as cube, cylindrical, sphere, cone, for these and all we are having formula. Regular shape we having an formula. If it is an irregular shape, as we found a graphical method of area, here we have to find an volume of an irregular shape using a measuring cylinder. Before that, what are all the day-to-day things we are measured in volume? Daily we are buying an milk, that is measured in volume of a liter, 1 liter, 500 ml, 250 ml, in such a way. Then in oil, if you want to measure just 200 ml of milk from a half a liter pack, what will you do? You will cut the packet and pour into a tumbler which you know the volume 200 ml cup. So if the liquid occupies the space of tumbler, then it is called as volume of that liquid. So the space occupied by the liquid is its volume. That you can see in the next page. Here, measuring container. The measuring container measures the capacity of the liquid. So capacity of the container is graduated. In each one you will have a different capacity. So the maximum volume of a liquid that a container can hold is known as a capacity of a container. Here we are studying one more definition, that is the maximum volume of a liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. Till now we have studied two definitions. One is volume and second one is capacity of a container. Then we are going to see about volume of a liquids. We saw here there is a different shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. All are regular shape objects. All are regular shape objects. So it is having a formula for volume: A cube, L into B into H. As I said in the example, sphere you will be having 4 by 3 pi r cube, and cylindrical you are having pi r square H. Then what I said, volume of an irregular object, that I will send a video. For example, if you want to find out an volume of a stone, take a measuring jar filled off of the water and note down the level. Then dip the stones tied using a thread into the measuring jar filled with the water. Then you can see that the level of the water is raised. The difference between the first level before immersing the stone and after immersing the stone, the level difference you have to note it down. That gives the volume of an irregular object. In this way we are finding the volume of the irregular object. Then we will see the density. As we find an area of an irregular object, here we are studying the volume of an irregular object. Volume of an irregular object is also an detailed answer, important detailed answer. Okay, next we will see the density.